Greetings all. This is day 42. $9,258.28 in our portfolio. We are up $241 today. And did I take trades? Yes, I did. Swing trades. I took swing trades now, guys. We have a few trades open, so I gotta start to. I need to close these soon. I've been trying to, however, it's just not been working, and I will explain what I mean by that. But I had taken silver and I had taken gold, 39.5 call on silver and a $70 call on gold. But this one is like a different type of gold trust, right? So this is the iShares Gold Trust, and it's less than what gold is. So if you look at gold, actually, it's around 370, I believe, right now. But this one is like kind of like a reduced version of it. You know what I'm saying? Like, so I'm referencing the bull run that gold had this year, up 50% this year, and got into this pullback because this pullback is pretty significant compared to like historically any gold pullback. Like when I think it was October 20th, that's when gold had crashed, and that was like the biggest crash ever. It was like a 5% crash, and like it is, I think, around under 5% from the high. So that's why I had taken a call on gold, and the same thing with silver, because silver and gold, they follow, like, they're hand in hand with each other. So I took 2 swings on both of those. I'm on that patient money, you know what I'm saying? Like, not rushing it. I'm on the patient money. But as for the other ones that I'm trying to close, when I tell you I had like probably 4 or 5 stop limit orders open to sell, but like they don't get triggered. They never seem to get triggered because of the way that the bid and the ask is. So like it's very hard. It's just very hard to trigger it at the price that I want it, because I could sell these, but if I sell them, for instance, this one, it says I'm under $100. It will not sell me out at $100, guys. Trust me, it will sell me out at like way below that. So I literally need to, I think, wait until they are really green before I can sell them, and then, you know what I'm saying, the portfolio will dip, but it will still be in profit. But if I were to sell these right now, let's say this one up 55, I'm not getting out at a $55 profit. It's getting out at like less than that because of the bid and the ask. And the fact that it has to execute it immediately is going to give me like the lowest bid. So like that's why I have like 6 calls open. But I don't know. I think I'm just going to hold them and be patient. They're all for 2027. Each and every single one of them. AI, bull, those ones are going to be easier. Silver and gold, AI, bull, silver, gold. These are the ones that are going to be easier to hit by stop limit and just take me out for profit. But as far as ABTC and MSTU, those are in the single digits. Like MSTU is $3.70. ABTC is like around $6. So like they move slowly, and their bid and ask is super slow. So I'm not trying to get out for a loss. You know what I'm saying? And other than that, the stock's been running. They've been running it up. Oh, I like Spotify. I think I'm gonna get me some more Spotify. So basically, I think the CEO, I think he's the founder, he stepped down as the CEO, and now he's an executive chair or something instead. So like 2 other people were reappointed as co-CEOs of the Spotify company, and that's the reason why it just Spotify fell from like the 680, I believe 670 range. So that's a nice team. I got Lyft, I got Nike, Wix, Wix is looking pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. I keep thinking about placing a call on Wix, but I'm chilling. I'm gonna just keep shares of Wix. Adobe is doing pretty good too. We're up 6% in Adobe. I like that. I might get some more Adobe, to be honest with you guys. I might get like $500, $600 more of Adobe, because it's reported profitable. So I might get into that. APLD, that's looking like a banger in the future as well, guys. Not gonna lie. Not going to lie. And I don't know. I'm just waiting. I'm trying to have a longer term outlook. I'm not rushing it. Not doing that. I'm not trying to get in day trade at it. I just need to have some consistent money coming in. You know what I'm saying? Something that's sure to bring some returns, like gold and silver. These are sure to bring returns. I'm saying in times of uncertainty, that's when gold goes up and also silver goes up, because they are commodities. So that's why I had bought them. It's basically as if you would buy if you bought, let's say, some shares of GLD. That's like buying gold, really. a gold bar, or a fraction of a gold bar in real life, really. So in the same way, that's what we're gonna do right here. Interest rates may be getting cut soon, I heard. So there's going to be some uncertainty in the market. What just happened? Amazon is planning to, I think, by tomorrow, lay off 30,000 corporate jobs, which is a crazy wake-up call. Like, there's different things that are happening and that will happen. What do? Gold and silver. These are the safety nets that all the other smart money is going to run to whenever shit starts to pop off. Alright, so this dip, I see it as a really great opportunity to get in my opinion. This dip right here, coming down from a high of 82.55, I think that's a good entry, if you ask me. Let's see. Alright, guys, with that, I'm gonna say peace. We're gonna get busy tomorrow in the market. We're gonna do what we do. We're gonna make some money, and we're just gonna try and continue this momentum and be calm about it. We're not gonna get mad when we lose. We're not gonna do all that. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna try to have a longer term mindset and snipe the play. I'm trying to snipe these plays. When I see something get down low, pull back, that's what I'm gonna execute. You know what I'm saying? Not be scared. Make sure the 20% stop loss is there. Not be scared and just execute. Boom, execute. By the way, I think I'm gonna start doing that. I gotta put like 5 more stop losses on these and date them out for like 90 days. You know what I'm saying? Just in case, because you never know what happens. Alright. With that, peace, guys. Good.